Our next word is Luppas. Luppas means wasted or waste. We identify the consonants. We have lam, pa, and sin. And we have a double consonant, just like the word kapal. Remember, if it's double consonant, we add the sabtu sign or sumabtu. Okay, identify the consonants. We have L written like this, that's lam. Then pa. Pa in Sulat Sug is simply fa in Arabic. And S is sin. Okay, now it's pa. Okay, then remember this is a double consonant, so we'll just add a sumabtu later on. So let's write that. So we have lam, and its baris is u, u. So u is dapan. Lam, dapan, lu. Then we have lupa, and it's a double, so we add sumabtu. So lam, dapan, lu, sumabtu, papa, lu. When its baris is a, so we add the baris taas. Luppa. Then last, we have the sin at the end, and it has no baris, no vowel sound, so we simply add baris patay. Okay, so how do we spell this? Lam, dapan, lu, sumabtu, papa, lup, pa, hataas pa, muno, sin, pas, luppas. And how do we connect them? We simply connect them all because they're not part of the four exceptions, so we just lam, pa, sin. Lam, dapan, lu, sumabtu, papa, lup, pa, hataas pa, muno, sin, pas, luppas. Again, lam, dapan, lu, sumabtu, papa, lup, pa, din hataas pa, muno, sin, pas, that is luppas. So you write luppas in Sulat Sug. Subscribe for more.